A Tesla priced at only $10,579 sounds like shocking news. And for most people, that price alone is enough to grab attention. But the truth is, the price is not even the biggest surprise here. What really matters are the 7 exterior updates Tesla has quietly engineered into the Model 2. These updates are not cosmetic touches or design tricks. They are real improvements based on years of owner feedback, real-world use, and practical driving challenges faced by millions of people. Tesla isn't just releasing another low-cost electric car. They are launching a model specifically crafted to fit real budgets, real lifestyles, and real daily needs. So what exactly are those updates? And why could they completely change how you feel behind the wheel? That's exactly what we're going to explore. Stick around to the end, because the final upgrade is something Tesla owners have been asking for since 2017. And it finally makes its debut on the Model 2 also. Please subscribe so the channel can reach 237,475 subscribers. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. When you sit inside the Tesla Model 2 and look upward, the first thing your eyes land on is the seamless, smoked, panoramic glass roof framed by a sleek, slim black border. But this elegant design hides something far more advanced than meets the eye. This is Tesla's new cool glass roof, a unique glass structure engineered specifically for the Model 2. Its job is simple: deliver better heat insulation, better sound reduction, better energy efficiency, and ultimately, better comfort for every passenger in the car. It isn't just a styling choice. It's a breakthrough that upgrades how the car feels on hot days, long drives, and busy highways. Before the Model 2, Tesla had a long journey with roof design. The early Model S and Model X used either full metal roofs or sunroofs with mechanical openings. Metal roofs were durable and affordable to produce, but they heated the cabin dramatically. In a test under direct sunlight for just 30 minutes, cabin temperatures could climb by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit. That meant hotter seats, more energy spent on air conditioning, and faster wear on interior materials. Later, the Model 3 and Model Y introduced fixed panoramic glass roofs, which felt more premium and added openness to the cabin. However, these versions only had basic UV protection and lacked deeper layers of thermal control. Tesla pushed things further with the Model 2. They invested in a new, multi-layer glass technology that delivers superior performance. The cool glass roof consists of 3 engineered layers: an outer tempered glass layer for strength and impact resistance, a middle PVB film layer designed for sound insulation and shatter retention, and most importantly, an inner nano coating that reflects both infrared and ultraviolet radiation. This triple-layer design blocks over 99% of UV rays and 92% of infrared heat. These numbers aren't random. They target the 2 biggest contributors to cabin heat and material fading in a series of tests conducted in California, under intense sunlight measuring roughly 900 watts per square meter. The Model 2's cabin stayed 15 degrees Fahrenheit cooler after 30 minutes, in a similar car equipped with standard glass. That real-world difference means stepping into the Model 2 on a hot day feels meaningfully more comfortable, and the air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard, as the car consumes less energy and preserves more range. Sound isolation also gets a huge upgrade. The cool glass reduces roof noise by about 3 decibels at 70 miles per hour. That may not sound like much, but in acoustic terms it cuts incoming wind and road sound by almost half. On long highway trips, the cabin feels quieter, calmer, and more relaxing. That sense of quietness makes the drive feel more premium. Even though the car's price starts under $11,000, there's also the benefit of efficiency. With less heat entering the cabin, the Model 2's air conditioning system consumes up to 5% less energy on hot days. Over thousands of miles, that adds up to longer range, better performance, and less battery degradation. Interior materials also stay in good condition much longer. Seats resist cracking. Plastics resist fading. The dashboard maintains its color and texture even after years of sunlight exposure. Tesla designed the Model to not to be the cheapest car, but the most durable, affordable car they've ever produced. Walk around to the rear of the Model 2. And you'll immediately notice something unusual for such an affordable EV: a wide, rectangular rear hatch opening with a low loading lip. This design is intentional. Tesla wanted the Model 2 to feel much more practical than a typical small hatchback. The hatch measures 47.2 inches wide, enough to fit a 29-inch suitcase horizontally with no scraping or angling. That level of width makes it easier to load items smoothly without twisting your wrists or struggling with tight corners. The loading lip height is only 26 inches off the ground. Compared to 28 to 30 inches on many compact hatchbacks, that small difference has a big impact. You don't have to lift heavy boxes or luggage as high, so there's less strain on your back. Over time, these small ergonomic improvements matter. Lifting a 44-pound box becomes easier and requires less effort with each trip. For people who routinely load groceries, furniture, supplies, or equipment, this makes the Model 2 noticeably more convenient. The hatch opens to an angle of roughly 78 degrees, which gives tall users up to about 7 feet 1 inch enough headroom to stand comfortably underneath. Tesla also includes a foot sensor, which activates the hatch in just 0.6 seconds when your hands are full. It feels natural. Push your cart up to the rear, wave your foot, and the hatch opens instantly. The power assist keeps it stable, even in windy conditions. And you can set a custom opening height for garage spaces with low ceilings inside the cargo area. The square shape allows you to load items that normally require awkward rotations. Wide wooden planks, tripods, musical keyboard cases, or even boxes measuring 15.7 by 11.8 inches, all stack neatly. Tesla specifically designed the cargo bay to minimize wasted space and avoid curved corners that reduce storage volume. Together, these features make the Model 2 surprisingly versatile for families, travelers, professionals, and even rideshare drivers who need practical trunk space. Approach the doors, and you'll find another major update: Tesla's new glove grip door handles. When you touch the handle area, the mechanism senses your movement, and the handle pops out smoothly in about half a second. Unlike the traditional flush handles on Model 3 and Model Y, which require a press and pull motion, the Model 2's handle is thicker, easier to grasp, and shaped so your fingers naturally slide into position. Even first-time users intuitively understand how to operate it. Tesla added a 5-watt heating element inside, which handles so that frost melts within 60 seconds at 14 degrees Fahrenheit. This solves a well-known issue for Tesla owners in colder regions freezing door handles. Previous Tesla designs, especially on older Model S vehicles, looked sleek, but often froze shut. On the Model 2, you can walk up in winter and open the handle smoothly with gloves on, no scraping or warming required. The thicker design also distributes pulling force across more of your hand, making it easier for elderly users, people with reduced grip strength, or anyone wearing gloves. The handle extends automatically via a fast electromechanical actuator, and it's robust enough for repeated daily use. A hidden key slot ensures you can still access the car if your phone battery dies. Tesla took all the criticism about flush handles over the years and addressed every issue with a single redesign. The result is a simple but meaningful improvement. When rain hits the windshield, the Model 2's JetBlade wipers quickly show their advantage. Instead of water spraying from traditional hood-mounted nozzles, the washer fluid comes directly from dozens of pinpoint micro nozzles embedded along the wiper blades. This design provides even coverage instantly. Traditional sprays take a moment to reach the area the blades cover, and during that first swipe, the blade drags across dry glass, causing friction, noise, and long-term wear. With JetBlade, that problem disappears. The windshield becomes wet the instant the blades move, improving visibility from the very first swipe. The system cleans about 95% of the windshield surface, far higher than the 85% to 88% cleaned by most conventional wipers. In simulated heavy rain at 70 miles per hour, the Model 2 maintained over 90% visual clarity after 2 passes, compared to 4 passes for traditional wipers, because the fluid is delivered exactly where it's needed. The system uses up to 30% less washer fluid. Over long driving distances, this saves multiple refills. In winter testing, JetBlade kept over 95% of its sweep efficiency, even after repeated freeze-thaw cycles, outperforming conventional wipers, which dropped below 70%. The aerodynamic profile of the wiper assembly is slimmer and cleaner without external nozzles, which reduces drag at the windshield base by about 2%. This leads to slightly improved range and reduced wind noise near the wipers. Maintenance costs are minimal. Each JetBlade insert costs about $12, and swapping them takes under a minute for each side. Fewer exposed parts also mean less clogging from dust, mud, or mineral deposits. Overall, the JetBlade system makes rainy day driving clearer, safer, more efficient. Along the lower sides of the Model 2, Tesla added wide matte plastic panels called TrailGuard side cladding. These panels hug the wheel arches and door sills, protecting the areas that typically get damaged by gravel, road debris, mud, and small stones. Instead of leaving these vulnerable zones,